Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve question number 24. A refrigerator works between 4 degrees centigrade and 30 degrees centigrade. So, in case of a refrigerator, this is the sink, I will say that the source, this is the sink, which is at low temperature, that is T2, this is at higher temperature T1, the heat is taken from the sink, that is Q2, and the work is done from outside W, and the remaining heat is rejected to the surrounding Q1. This is how a refrigerator works. And the low temperature is this one. Sink is having low temperature, that is 4 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 4 plus 273, which is 277 Kelvin. Here T1 is 30 degree plus, this is given 30 degree, so 30 plus 277, which is equal to 70, 30, 307. So it is 307 or 273 actually. This is 273. So 273 is 303 Kelvin. Now, this is the temperatures given, and what is asked? It is required to remove 600 calories of it. So this Q2 is 600 calorie. Okay, so we have to remove. So what is given is Q2, which is 600 calorie. Heat calorie of heat every second in order to keep the temperature of the refrigerated space constant. So every second you have to remove this much of calorie so that the cabinet has temperature is constant. The power required is, so how much power you have to supply for that? The work done per second. The power is work done per second is how much? 1 calorie is 4.2 joule, that is given. So power is so first is power is the work done upon time in every second. If I say 1 second, in 1 second how much power is equal? So W watt, this much of power is required, that is W watt. This W to find. We know that the coefficient of performance is Q2 divided by W, and that also can be written as T2 divided by T1 minus T2. This can be written like this. Why that is done? How that is done? Because we know that Q1 by Q2 is T1 by T2. So, and the coefficient of performance beta is this one, and that beta can be written as Q2 divided by W is Q1 minus Q2. So if I take the reciprocal of this, then it will be, or this is T2. I can, in that form I can write this is T2 and T1 minus T2. Okay, so this can be written as in place of Q2 I can replace this by T. Now from here we'll solve. Look at this part. Q2 is given 600 calorie, but everything you write in joule because we want watt. So it is 600 calorie, and that is 4.2. This will be in joule divided by work done is required. This W is the watt. And now T2 is low temperature, that is 277 divided by 303 minus 277. These are the temperature we have already calculated here. Putting that W becomes, this is 277, so 277, I'll just have to subtract that. This is actually 273, okay, 273 plus 30, okay, and minus 273 minus 3. So this will cancel and that will give me 27. Okay, so 27 or how much was 4 degrees? That's 4. Just 4. Not 4. This is 273 plus 4. Okay, this is 4. So 30 minus 4, 26. 26 in simple, because if I add 26 to this, then 1, 9, 10, 26. So now it is 26. This one is 26, and W will be 600 into 4.2 into 26 divided by 277. Okay, so this is the power in seconds that I'm getting in, and the W I'm getting here is 600, 4.2, 26 divided by 277. This you have to calculate approximately. As you can see, the answers, the important point is whether it's 3 digit coming out or 2 digit or 1 digit after decimal or 4 digit one. That is the thing. You don't have to go for actual calculations, and because the answer will be that only. So if I do that, then if I take 4 here, approximately I will calculate. If I take 4 here, then it's 2400 into 26 divided by 277. Okay, if I calculate this is as 270 or 280, no problem with that. 280 if I take 280, then it is or 270, whatever say 270 I say, then 10 cancels, and this 26, 27 I will cancel approximately, and this is 240 and 240 I'm getting. That means I'm getting this number, 3-digit number, and that is the answer. So in that way, then if I see the options, then this is the answer, because this is only 3-digit present. Otherwise you can go for actual calculations if the options are having other numbers, like some numbers, 3-digit numbers before decimals options, then you have to go for actual calculations, that you have to calculate it. Okay, let me just calculate it, how much I'm getting it, and let us see how much is the answer to this. Okay, I have the calci over here. I'll just do that. 627. Here I have to write 600. Into 26 and I'll divide by 277 and multiply with 4.2, and I'm getting 20. If I do that, then I'm getting 236.53. okay, and this much of joule of work is done. But I've already done that. The power is work done per second. In 1 second, this much of joule per second. So the answer is 236.5 watt. So that is, as I told you, this will be the answer. This is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.